Hello, and this is a video introduction about how to use a tech tool such as Google Docs to effectively organize your notes. So you would start off by, you want to change the name of your document to something that you can recognize easier, such as if I was taking notes on AP Biology, I would do APB, the abbreviations of it. And if the chapter was about cells, I would do cells, and then I would do the date of today, so 5/21st, 2018. From there, what I do now is I center align my page, and I would switch to title. And then what this does is it changes my font size to 26 to make the title bigger, essentially. So you would change the title to your topic, such as cells. If you want to make it even more noticeable, to highlight out to just like keywords, you would bold it. So you would press the little B right here, Control B, and you would bold it. And you can use the shortcut of it, which is Control B on your keyboard, like that. And then you can also use the underline, just Control U. So again, you can highlight it, press underline, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, so Control U. Now, here is the title, and under it you can begin with your notes. From there, essentially you can use the bold and underline to help you organize your notes. So if I was taking notes on cells, you want to subdivide your notes to make it easier to read, easier to study. So you would do bold, cells, and then from there you can type out your notes line by line, or you could underline it with both, and then this will just make it easier for you to point out the words that you want to get to. So if you wrote a whole paragraph on something and you don't know where to start reading, the underlining, the bold will help you with that. You can also use the table to help organize data that you may not be able to use with typing. So you can use your table by going under the Insert tab, going over Table, and you can choose the by frame of your table. So 44, 45, 55, 565. So for example, I'm just going to use 44 for you. This helps you organize data that you can't do without a table. So if you were trying to measure plant growth, for example, you could use days. So day 1, day 2, day 3. And you can use the different plants. So you can use plant A, plant B, and plant C. Each day you can just measure the growth of the plant. So one plant can reach 18 centimeters in the first day. One plant can go be 12 centimeters the first day. One plant can be 13 centimeters the first day, and then it just changes over time. So this one can go down to 16. This one can increase to 14. This one can go to 14. And the day 3, it can go down to 14 centimeters for the plant A. Plant B, it can increase to 16 centimeters. And plant C, it can go to plant growth of 15 centimeters. Basically, this helps you organize your data to know what your notes are talking about, and you want to summarize it. So, for example, if you want to conclude your results, conclude your data, organize it, you would use, for example, you would use the bold, highlight it, this type of results, so you know where your results are, and then from there you can begin typing your notes. So, for example, plant A, and its first day was at 18 centimeters, and its second day it was at 16 centimeters, and in its third day it was at 14 centimeters, and so on. That's what you can do that for both plants if you wanted to. This is just an example. And what I showed you guys so far was basically what I found the most useful for taking notes and organizing them if I was taking notes for AP Biology. And that's about it.